Most grills promise even heat but often disappoint. Uneven flames lead to burnt edges and undercooked centers. As a certified outdoor cooking specialist, I've seen it all. Home grillers struggle with inconsistent results and messy cleanups. You need reliability, not just sizzle and smoke. That's why I recommend the Weber Genesis E325 gas grill. Let's break down what truly sets this grill apart. First, Weber's PureBlu burner system is a game changer. Unique tapered tubes generate steady pressure and consistent flames. Even heat distribution means perfect grilling, edge to edge. No more guessing, no more burnt spots. Raised flame openings keep food debris from clogging burners. Your grill lights every time, season after season. The extra large sear zone is a host's dream. Cook multiple steaks and burgers at once, no crowding. Perfect for family gatherings and backyard parties. Porcelain enameled cast iron grates retain heat for amazing sears. Flavorizer bars boost flavor and prevent dangerous flare ups. Juices vaporize, infusing your food with smoky goodness. Grease is funneled away, keeping things safe and clean. Cleanup is simple, with a pull-out grease tray underneath. Just slide out, dispose, and you're done. No more messy, time-consuming scrubbing after every meal. Expand your outdoor cooking with Weber-crafted accessories. Transform your grill into a pizza oven or griddle. Try Dutch oven dishes or dual-sided searing. These custom-fit grillware options unlock endless possibilities. Warming rack keeps food hot and buns perfectly toasted. Grill smaller items while the main course finishes below. Convenient side tables keep tools and platters close by. Seasonings and utensils are always within easy reach. Let's see it in action. Burgers, steaks, veggies, no problem. Notice the even color and juicy texture on every piece. No flare-ups, no cold spots, just flawless grilling. Cleanup takes seconds, not minutes. Family and friends rave about the flavor and tenderness. I've used this grill for countless events, rain or shine. It's reliable, durable, and always delivers top performance. Backed by Weber's legendary warranty and support. You invest once and enjoy years of outdoor meals. Liquid propane tank sold separately for easy refills, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and barbecue hosts alike. Whether you're a weekend griller or a seasoned pitmaster, this grill adapts to your style and skill level. No more worrying about uneven heat or messy grease. Just focus on great food and good company. Ready to upgrade your outdoor cooking experience? Choose the Weber Genesis E325 gas grill today. Enjoy legendary quality, performance, and versatility. Make every barbecue memorable, season after season. Don't settle for less. Grill with confidence. Check out the Weber Genesis E325 now. Transform your backyard into a true outdoor kitchen. Invite friends, fire up the grill, and savor the results. Experience the difference of PureBlu burners and FLAVORIZER bars. Your perfect grilling journey starts here. Choose Weber.